episode of On the Road Food Review. I am here with the beautiful Cherokee Night today, and we are at Early Bird's Breakfast in St. Louisville, Ohio, and very unique place, and the menu is out of this world. Some stuff that you've never seen before.
Oh yeah, you guys, stuff that's on their menu, you would never think to mix it together. It's a hit here.
Yeah.
So, you got your card, stop in.
Yep, you know what I mean. Can you say, oh my lord? What'd you get, Cherokee?
I got the stuffed French toast. It's stuffed with cream cheese. Got powdered sugar, a side of bacon, and some bananas.
And I got the Bay. The Bay is, yes, I'm going to say this. It is a Cheddar Bay biscuit waffle topped with bacon, cheese, gravy, and eggs. Is that even legal? I don't think so. Look at that again.
Bring your medical card.
Okay, so this is the Bay. It is, got my fork, all good. Cheddar Bay biscuit waffle topped with bacon, cheese, gravy, eggs. Oh my lord. Okay, so here we go. Going for the first bite. A little bit of egg. I can't
Get
eat
some syrup.
I got some syrup, man.
Gotta have syrup.
Cheddar Bay biscuit. Okay, here we go. Oh my god.
Is it good?
You gotta try this. This is amazing.
All right.
Got it.
On a scale of 1 to 10?
I don't have my chickens with me. 10.
That's a 10. Good. Awesome. All right. Let me try mine now.
Okay, here we go.
All right. Mine is the French toast stuffed with cream cheese, bacon, and a side of sauteed bananas. So what I will do is I'll take a bite of the French toast and we'll dip it in the banana. Oh my gosh, it's all gooey. Yummy. Oh my god. This is like heaven wrapped in a blanket. In a warm, fuzzy blanket by a fireplace. Like, you guys gotta try this.
So you want to come back?
Oh yeah, definitely. Problem is, I'll probably get the same thing because it's unbelievable. Want to try a bite?
In a second, so hold on.
All right.
Hey guys, welcome to another episode of On the Road Food Review. We are at the... Yes, hi. Bloopers. Okay, welcome to this.
Take 4.
Welcome to another episode of On the Road Food Review. Today I'm here with the beautiful Cherokee Night, and we are at Early Bird's Breakfast in Utica.
Oh no, yes, St.
Louisville.
And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the little button down thing and comment if you want to. And don't forget to tell them Gee sent you.